Now it's time for our first toy review of 2017. Today we have the Mac Granite half-pipe dump truck by Bruder Toys. And now we're going to unbox it and we're going to do a little test drive and demo and see how it all works. So, to begin with, I guess we will just roll it out of the box. And here is the truck. Not sure what that is, but now we're going to turn around and show this end because this is the business end of the truck. Now let's see. Well, this thing goes high. You can see there are three little pieces of this hydraulic here that allow it to adjust at different levels. So,
back up, Alex. Back your body up.
Oh. Right here.
Go back some more. You're going sideways.
I'm not sure what you're meaning.
Put your back up against the hamper. Where's the hamper? Put your back against it.
There's the hamper.
Okay. Move the truck close to you.
Now then, we're going to put the driver in the cab. And the door appears to be taped shut. Not to worry though, we can fix that. You just find the little piece of tape there. There we go. Alright. Now she's gonna get into the cab of the truck. Now I'm going to need to open the other door so I can put her hand on the gear shift. I'm not quite sure what's attached to the smokestack here, but I'm sure I'll figure it out soon. Great thing about these figures is you can pretty much bend them any way you want. Just be careful around the leg area because they sometimes do break. She can't reach the shifter right now, but oh well. We could just say it has an automatic and she uses that stick for dumping. I think that is so cool that it telescopes out like that when it's raised. Now, the difference between this and a normal dump truck is it has almost 1/4 more load capacity than a regular dump truck, and usually that's somewhere around 21 tons. This can carry close to 30 tons. They use this for heavy asphalt jobs, and these are used a lot in Europe because they have different weight laws there than they do here in the US. And there's one more little detail I'm going to show you here. And see the hood is open so you can actually see the engine. So that's it. Mac Granite half pipe dump truck.